Thank you very much. Very good morning. Distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to be sharing some of my thoughts of the 2 days conference. Before I start, let me say it is a very happy occasion for me. The reason is that a number of scientists, experts dealing with agriculture, animal husbandry, and allied subjects, I had the opportunity to work. A little brief about myself. I worked in Government of India, the ICAR, on various capacities, starting from as an active researcher at the Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, Karnal, in India. Then as Assistant Director General in ICA, Indian Council of Agriculture Research, as the Director of the Central Soil Salinity Research Institute, Agriculture Commissioner, Government of India. Later on, the Chairman of Agricultural Scientists Recruitment Board. So after my retirement, we have started this foundation, GS Gurbachan Singh Foundation for Research, Education and Development at Karnal to continue my interest in research, academies and linking with the farmers from where I started my job, again working. Now we are working with the farmers, working with the students, school students, and a number of other activities. So the second reason is the organization ARCC, which is organizing this conference, Agricultural Research Communication. Their grandfather, who established that foundation, he was himself a scientist, and started promoting science, agricultural science and allied subjects. It initiated in the year 1967, but later on, now developed into an organization sharing information about agricultural science, animal husbandry, and other subjects, not only in India at the global level. They initiated several research journals. The first was the Indian Journal of Agriculture Research. I had the opportunity to work as chief editor of that journal also for several years. Then it was in the year 1971, and in the sequence, 6-7 more journal, Indian Journal of Animal Sciences, then the Legume Research, another review journal, agricultural reviews. Then they came, now we have seven journals published by this organization. Friends, over the years, these journals gained popularity not at the national but international level. The high quality research conducted by the scientists is published and shared with in all the countries. The reasons are very specific because from the very beginning, the top scientists, experts from India and abroad, they are associated with these journals as editorial board, chairman. Secondly, these journals are mentioned in all the kind of the word you talk about Scopus, Web of Science, chemical abstracts, biological, whatever we can. Then one very fine day, we discussed, because I remained associated with them, that we should have a kind of international conference like we are having today, the AgroBed. The topic was carefully chosen that we have to, time has come when agriculture has to connect with the livestock plus trees. We have to promote the traditional methods of farming using new science interventions. So this was planned, and I am so happy that so many of you are present. Then what kind of future publication should come in our journals, and we can invite, reviews are also invited, the top people in the world. The new subject, climate change, is bothering the whole world. Then in this meeting also we will be discussing how to deal with the climate change in the future to make our food systems climate smart, climate resilient, new sciences, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, remote sensing, those kind of we have planned with this meeting also discuss. And I will also request here to all of you to contribute your good research for publication in these journals. Some of the, what are the, in the theme of this Congress, one is the holding size is declining. Farmers' livelihood is always at the stake now, whole of South Asia. But the only solution is to shift from individual crop, individual commodity, individual enterprise to multi-enterprise agriculture for making multiple use of resources. That is the one thing. That's why AgroVet name in this conference was conceived by the organizers. So I already said climate resilient agriculture, the ICWA people, my friends are here. Lot of good work is being done on crops, salinity tolerant crops, salinity tolerant halophytes, salinity tolerant trees, because in arid environments and salinity go together. So that we will be discussing. Then how to make efficient use of limited resource. Water is globally is going to be a very serious issue. We will have to make every effort to conserve, reuse, recycle the all rainwater, but wherever it falls, either at in situ or ex situ. So that will be another. The soil, how to rejuvenate. We have used these soils, every country, to the maximum by using more of agricultural chemical inputs. The pesticides, herbicides, now the stage has come where we will have to link how we can produce through organic, natural farming methods. It's not that everywhere organic and natural farming is possible, but how we can blend. So, you know, heavy metal pollution in the groundwater, and also it's coming to the food chain, those kind of, then biodiversity conservation, sustainability of dry lands, very important. During my active career, I worked on 2 plants, mainly, the edible cactus. You know, it's a very good crop in Mexico, you go to Brazil, Argentina, so I remained associated. Good is that we have a FAO net, and for West Asia, from last so many years, they made me the coordinator for cactus development in West Asia, so many of these countries. Similarly, another genes, Prosopis juliflora, they are the highest water efficient plants. They need maybe 300 to 400 millimeter rainfall to complete their rain, even if we cannot give. So friends, there will be number of opportunities. At the end, let me say, this is a good opportunity to sharing our success stories. You may be having your success stories. This is the time to share those stories. And then on those stories, we can build up our groups. We can collaborate, coordinate, and upscale those kind of things. So that will be the one. We have some panel discussions. New ideas will come. Opportunity to again collaborate, coordinate. At the end, I think it will be good idea that you can look to these journals, and we will be very happy to consider and publish your good results. So friends, I wish the conference a grand success. I think we have a very good gathering. We have scientists here, we have the entrepreneurs, we have the industry people, everybody joined together. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.